Hi everyone, this is Faizan Ahmed, and today was topic about Bitcoin fifth lecture. So before we continue the Bitcoin, first of all, we discuss what is basically a Bitcoin. Bitcoin, abbreviated as a BTC, is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity. Thus, removing the needs of third party involvement in financial transaction. Basically, it is rewarded to blockchain miners for the work done to verify transaction and can be purchased on several exchanges. Hope you understand what is basically a Bitcoin. So let's now continue this lecture. In the last lecture, we will discuss Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty, challenges and scalability, regulatory developments, Bitcoin and financial inclusions, Bitcoin evolution and future. If you want to more about these topics, please go back to our fourth lecture and understand it clearly. So now continue today's lecture. Basically, today's topics are education and research, philanthropy and charitable initiatives, Bitcoin in developing economics, privacy enhancement, and the last one and most important, smart contracts. Education and research. Bitcoin has supported academic research and education initiatives. Universities and research institutions have started offering courses and programs focused on cryptocurrencies, blockchain technologies, and the underlying principles of Bitcoin. The second part of is philanthropy and charitable initiatives. Bitcoin has been used as a tool for philanthropy and charitable giving. Bitcoin donations allow for transparent and traceable transaction, enabling individuals and organizations to support causes and track the flow of funds more effectively. The third one is Bitcoin in developing economics. What Bitcoin has gained traction in regions with limited access to traditional financial services. In countries with high inflation rates or restrictive banking systems, Bitcoin provides an alternative means of storing value and conducting transactions. We can use Bitcoin as a transaction as a money. Privacy enhancement. Privacy is most important in Bitcoins. Bitcoin's pseudonymous nature led to the development of privacy-focused enhancement. Technologies such as CoinJoin and confidential transaction aim to enhance the privacy and fungibility of Bitcoin by obfuscating transaction details and amounts. The last one and very important is smart contracts. Basically, card wallet is also called smart card wallet. Computers and smartphones are target for malware. The software on a smart card can be protected. Smart cards do not need a battery nor internet connection. They are robust. Basically, smart contracts, while Bitcoin primarily serves as a digital currency, some developments have enabled basic smart contracts functionality on the Bitcoin blockchain. Projects such as Rootstock and Liquid Network allow for the creation and executions of. Basically, smart card is a way to hold smart on a physical card. You don't need a phone to hold your smart. If you have ever had a problem with using a phone inside a building, you will get why this is real. Only the merchant needs the internet connection as simple to use as a credit or debit card but not controlled by any party processor and not a preloaded card using a Visa fiat system. This is real crypto to crypto. Here is the conclusion of this lecture. In conclusion, Bitcoin has emerged as a groundbreaking innovation, revolutionizing the world of finance and digital transaction. Its decentralized nature, powered by blockchain technology, has challenged traditional financial system and opened up new possibilities for individuals worldwide. With its limited supply, divisibility, and global accessibility, Bitcoin has gained recognitions as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and even a speculative investment. Here is our today's our lecture, and please don't forget to follow and subscribe our channel. Please like this video and meet you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.